Intro: imagine looking up at the night sky. There are more than 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Each galaxy contains billions of stars. Around many of those stars are planets that could be just like Earth. Statistically, intelligent life should be everywhere. So, where is everybody? Why haven't we detected a single alien civilization? Scientists have spent decades trying to answer this question. One theory is so disturbing that it could change the way we see humanity forever. It's called the Great Filter. Chapter 1. What is the Great Filter? The Great Filter is a simple but terrifying idea. Somewhere between the birth of a planet and the creation of a galaxy spanning civilization, there is a barrier. Almost every civilization fails to cross it. Think about everything that had to happen for humans to exist. A suitable star. A stable planet. Liquid water. Life. Complex cells. Animals. Intelligence. Technology. Space exploration. Each of these steps may be incredibly rare, or one of them may be almost impossible. That impossible step is what scientists call the Great Filter. Chapter 2. What if the filter is behind us? There is one possibility that gives scientists hope. What if humanity has already passed the Great Filter? Perhaps the hardest part was creating life itself. Maybe simple cells are extremely rare. Maybe intelligent life almost never evolves. If that's true, then humanity has already achieved something unbelievably special. We may be among the first intelligent civilizations in the universe. That would make Earth one of the rarest places that has ever existed. But there is another possibility, one that is far more frightening. Chapter 3. What if the filter is ahead of us? What if every advanced civilization eventually destroys itself? Imagine a civilization that discovers nuclear weapons, artificial intelligence, genetic engineering. Planet-scale technology. Every new invention brings incredible power, but also incredible risk. Perhaps every civilization reaches a point where technology grows faster than wisdom. One mistake, one war, experiment, and everything ends. Maybe that is why the universe is silent. Not because intelligent life never existed, but because it never survived long enough. Chapter 4. Could humanity become another victim? Today humanity faces challenges unlike anything in history. Artificial intelligence is advancing rapidly. Climate change affects the entire planet. Nuclear weapons still exist. Future technologies could reshape civilization completely. None of these guarantee disaster, but together they remind us that our future is not guaranteed. Maybe the Great Filter isn't a single event. Maybe it's a series of tests, and every civilization must pass them. Chapter 5. Have we already seen the Great Filter? What if the Great Filter has already happened? Not to us, but to someone else. Imagine an advanced civilization that built incredible cities, mastered artificial intelligence, traveled across its own solar system, then silenced. No signals. No spacecraft. No evidence. Perhaps somewhere in the Milky Way, entire civilizations have already risen and disappeared forever. The universe could be filled not with living civilizations, but with their forgotten ruins. The problem is space is unimaginably vast. Even if alien civilizations existed millions of years ago, their traces may never reach us, or they may have vanished long before humanity ever looked up at the stars. Chapter 6. Could artificial intelligence become the filter? Many scientists believe humanity is entering the most dangerous period in its history. Artificial intelligence is becoming more powerful every year. One day, Machines may solve problems. Humans never could, but every powerful technology carries risk. If AI becomes smarter than humans, could we lose control? No one knows. The great filter may not come from space. It may come from something we create ourselves. History shows that every civilization develops new technologies, but survival depends on whether wisdom grows as fast as intelligence. That may be the greatest challenge humanity has ever faced. Chapter 7. What happens if we pass the filter? Now imagine the opposite. Imagine humanity survives every challenge. Wars become history. Disease is defeated. Technology is used wisely. Our civilization begins exploring the solar system, then nearby stars, eventually entire galaxies. For the first time in history, Earth would no longer be just one planet. It would become the birthplace of an interstellar civilization. Maybe every civilization that survives the Great Filter eventually becomes something almost impossible for us to imagine. Chapter 8. The final question. Tonight, when you look at the stars, remember this: the silence of the universe may not be empty. It may be a warning. Somewhere, long before humans existed, another civilization may have asked the same question. Where is everybody? They never found the answer. Perhaps because they became part of it. The future of humanity has not been written yet. Whether we become another silent civilization or the first to reach the stars depends on the choices we make today. Maybe the greatest mystery of the universe isn't whether aliens exist. It's whether humanity can survive long enough to meet them.